What's up, y'all? It's your girl Ebony Morgs, and today I'm coming back to you for another video. So I live in New Jersey, and guys, look at this. It's crazy out here. Do you see all of that going on? It's a snowstorm. A freaking snowstorm. I literally had to, my car was covered. It was like buried in my garage. Well, not my garage. I have a garage, but I didn't put my car in the garage, which I should have last night. And it was in the backyard. And I had to shovel my car out. I'm so pissed about it because last night I actually had to work, but my head was hurting so bad, and I knew it was snowing. I was just like, okay, I don't know how it's going to be in the morning. I probably would have been stuck at work, to be honest. So I'm going to head out. Listen, nobody is really out here. It's crazy out here. Like, you could barely even see out here, okay? The streets are messy. Hopefully, I got my shovel. I got all my stuff. I'm like, I have my charger, things like that. So anything, some shit pop off or some things, you know, go down, I'm good. You know what I'm saying? So I had to go out because I forgot to go food shopping yesterday. I went to work. I worked overnight yesterday, right? Look, I don't even have any lashes on. I look a hot mess. A hot mess. Yeah, so yesterday I came home at 6:30, and then I went to sleep, woke up with a headache. Sat there for a little while and went back to sleep. Got really tired. I was supposed to work last night, called out, but I was supposed to go food shopping yesterday, and I was supposed to pick up a pot from my grandma's house, and maybe neither. I was so tired. I was like I wasn't myself yesterday. I said the front of my car. The front of my house to get out. Let me drive in too instead of the drive. I can barely see shit. Like, where's my glasses? Like, just nowhere. I cannot even find my glasses. And it's a hot mess out here. Pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. Okay? I'm driving too fast. I know I'm driving too fast, y'all. Look, I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on.
You got me singing way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, you got me singing. Way oh, you look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. best thing in your life. Baby, let's take a drive, take a drive.